Hi, mathematicians. Today I want to take a little minute to go back and review our nifty number bond. I know you're probably like, oh gosh, we know all about it. But that's okay. That means that you'll know all the answers and you'll be like, man, we are so smart because beginning of the year, we knew nothing about number bonds. Now, look at us using them like we're a pro. So to start though, I want to remind everyone what the parts of a number bond are. Do you have a number bond at home that you can point to and label? If you don't, take out your whiteboard and draw a number bond on it. All right, the first thing we're going to look at is the whole. So the whole is the total amount of our problem. With a number bond that has two parts, our whole is the circle that has both parts connected to it. So see how this one only has one circle that it's connected to? This one only has one circle, whereas this circle has two lines coming off of it. Now, number bonds can have more than two parts, but you're still going to look. Whatever the ones that more than one's connected to, that's our whole. So let's write the word whole above this big circle here. W-H-O-L-E, whole. And that's our total amount. That's the one that's going to be the most. I'm going to rewrite this. I don't like where it is. W-H-O-L-E, whole. So that's the total. That means these two circles we call parts. So I'm going to write part, P-A-R-T, and both of these circles. And when we think about this, when we add part plus part equals whole. So part plus part equals the whole. And again, this sentence helps us when we have two. If you have more than two parts, it's part plus part plus part, however many parts you have. When we subtract, we take our whole number, we take away one part, and it equals our other part. Okay, are you ready to get some numbers here? So let's start. Today, I want us to use our number bond in our boards to write some numbers in their expanded form. When we do numbers in expanded form, we think about separating our tens and our ones. Okay, our first number, let's write the number 37. And you know what I'm also going to do? I'm going to draw a little 37 right underneath it. 37 is 3 tens, 10, 20, 30, and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and I just told you we're going to separate our tens and our ones. Now be careful. Let's start with our ones. We can see we have a 7 in our ones place. Oh. Now, am I going to just write 3 in this part? Well, let's think about it. We just said that part plus part equals whole. So that would mean I would do 3 plus 7. Wait a second, that does not equal 37. My math brain knows that 3 plus 7 equals 10. All right, so this is where we have to be careful because we know it's 3 groups of 10. So it's really 10, 20, 30. And now when we look at that, that tells us that 30 plus 7 equals 37. Should we write a subtraction sentence too? Let's do that. Let's start with our whole now. Remember, our whole is 37. Which part do you want to take away? Let's take away 30 because that's like a nice big number. So 37, take away 30, and we're left with just 7. Okay, let's do another problem. Okay. Ready? How about this time? Let's take out some dice and roll our dice. Okay, to make a 2-digit number. Oh, I 5 and 5. So let's write 55 in our whole. Okay, ready? Let's draw 5 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? Let's separate our tens and ones now. We just counted our tens, and we know that this 5 isn't really a 5. We just said it was 50. 50 plus 5 ones. Awesome. Ready? Let's write one addition sentence and one subtraction sentence, even though we could write more. So our whole number is 55. Oh, take a look at what I did. I started with my whole. So do you think I'm going to write my subtraction sentence or addition sentence first? You knew it. I'm going to write my subtraction sentence. Okay, last time I took away my tens. So this time I'm going to take away my ones. So 55, take away 5 equals, what are we left with? 50. Oh, you guys are so smart. All right, let's write one addition sentence. How about we start with our ones? 5 plus 50 equals 55. All right, let's do another one, rolling our dice. Okay, I'm going to roll my 2 dice. Ooh, I got 3 and a 2. I'm actually going to flip that. I want to do 2 and 3. So let's do 23. 2 groups of 10 and 3 ones. Ready? Let's separate our tens and our ones. So this 2 we know is not really a 2. It's 2 groups of 10. 10, 20. And 3 ones. All right, pause the video. I want you to write 2 number sentences on your board. Write one addition and one subtraction. Then press play and take a look at what I wrote. I'm going to start my addition sentence with part plus part. I'm going to do 20 plus 3 equals 23. You could have also done 3 plus 20 equals 23. For our addition sentence, we start with our whole. 23, take away 1 part, take away 3 equals 20. Or you could have done 23, take away 20 equals 3. All right, my friends, here's your challenge now. Ready? Flip to the page that has 6 different number bonds on it. What I want you to do is roll your dice to create 6 different 2-digit numbers, which means if you roll the same one twice, I want you to re-roll it. So I'm going to roll, and I got a 6 and a 5. So I'm going to build 65. First, I'm going to draw it. So 6 groups of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Separating my tens and my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 1. Now I'm going to roll again and create a different 2-digit number. If I roll a 6 and a 5 again, though, I'm not going to do 65. Watch, I could just flip it, and now I have 56. I'm going to draw it and then do my tens and my ones.